Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the day. I'm going to be making toffee pineapple upside down cakes, and I'm going to be using these little single serving pans to make them in. Okay, first of all, we're going to do the base. I got butter, I got cherries, pineapples, light corn syrup, and Heath bits. This is going to be yummy. So let's get started. The oven needs to be set to 350. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going. Now these little pans, I do need to spray them with some cooking spray. So I'm going to spray it in, down. Now we'll do the cake part. Okay, with this I'm using rum extract. Now you can use regular rum. I will leave the measurements in the video so you know what, if you decide to use this straight up rum. But I'm using extract. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll check them at 25 to see if they are done. And then I'll be back. Okay, they're done. I'm going to sit them over here just for a few minutes until they cool off, just for a few minutes. One thing I will do next time when I make these is put a cookie sheet, put these on a cookie sheet when I bake them. Some of the juices came out in the bottom of my stove. So now I'm going to have to clean it, but it's all good. But they turned out good. But definitely put it on a cookie sheet. to taste it. Oh, that looks good. Oh, it's steaming. Might still be hot. That is good. Oh my goodness, that is good. Oh my. That is so good. Maybe one more. That is good. Please give this recipe a try. This is really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.